Something that I like to keep around the shop at all times are a couple packages of JB Weld original twin tube epoxy. Now, this is the do anything, fix anything epoxy. You can use it on wood, metal, plastic, fiberglass. I've even used this to fix a pinhole that I had in a jerry can that had rusted out from just sitting around the shop because I wanted to use it as a filler neck on another project. It sealed it up and worked great. The twin tube original, it is a long set epoxy. So I've set up a perfect example here of where you're gonna use it. This is a stripped out tensioner bolt on this LS water pump. You see someone tried to put the wrong bolt in the hole and it basically broke the ear off of this. And we want to fix it instead of buying a whole new water pump. So we'll mix up some of this twin tube, we'll apply it, stick this piece back on, and actually I'll even fill the hole inside because this stuff, once it's cured in the 24-hour period, it can be drilled, sanded, tapped, painted, anything you need. So we'll basically recreate this ear, and then once it's dry, we'll be able to drill it and tap it, and the water pump will be good as new. I'd say that's fixed.